crazy. Our first set of the day, we are out in this big open area, and we've seen a coyote up on the hill. He's at a distance, but we can see him. He's hanging out up there. He's not coming in. He's not committing. We go through a few sounds, and then probably about 12 minutes into it's when these dogs come running in. And these dogs are like big English Mastiff ranch dogs. I don't know what breed they are, but they're huge. And I'm wondering, am I still going to have a lucky duck left? Is it going to be eaten by these dogs? Because that little decoy is flipping around, and I thought, I don't know if it's going to entice them enough to grab it or what they're going to do. Well, there they stop. So, oh, boom. Let's try throwing a sound like that at them. I don't know if they like that. So, anyway, here's the howls. They weren't really sure what to think about it. And then that one stops and is like, all right, let's check this out. I think something might be over there. Oh, never mind. Yeah, we fell for that and we ran clear across that field. Let's head back to that house on the hill over on the horizon where the trees are, and let's just get the crap out of here. We'll get on to the next set. Holy crap, did you just hear that? Yeah, I heard it too. I didn't see the coyote, but I was sitting there, and all of a sudden, bam! And I knew one was dead. I heard the pop. Yodel Dog down. Whew! Yep, that's awesome. There I was, right over there, and I was set up. And this coyote is 200 yards from me, and I never saw it. I never heard it. Nothing. But Frank, who was up higher on the hill, he heard it. He saw it. He's got younger ears and better eyes. And anyway, coyote down. Fourth one.
Fourth one.
Your third. Sheesh, you're a dog hog.
Yeah. I'm going to have to start just sitting over by you and I can point them out.
Yeah, there you go. I need some help.
Yeah, that's funny.
Here's the coyote hauler. Homemade, obviously. Little PVC, some parachute cord. Put it around the
Am
hawk.
I doing it right?
You're doing it perfect.
Mm.
Then put it around the front legs all the way to the elbows. Yep, and then cinch her tight. Hold it by the handle and
Carry your dog.
there you go. Simple as that. Wow.
I think I hit him on the top of the shoulder.
Yep, there you go. That'll work.
A lot better than getting it all over you.
Oh yeah, packing it out. Good shooting. That's 3 shots you've done on this trip. All of them hits.